Hello, everyone, and welcome to our first week in general psychology. I do want to talk about critical thinking and the 8 steps in the critical thinking process. The first one is ask questions. Take time out to ask questions. I always tell my students to use that who, what, when, where, why, how scenario and come up with a general idea. Don't just accept things for face value. Two is define your term. Go through the process and simplify. Make a specific question. What makes the dog bark? Stuff like that. Make it specific so you know what you're actually targeting. Next one is examine the evidence. Take time out to look at it for face value. Is one of the worst things you can ever do. Take time out, examine it, pull it apart, kind of look at it, pick it up if you can. Next one is analyze assumptions and biases. When you have a bias, you basically are to the point where you just accept it based on your belief. You're not taking time out to look at other avenues. You're just accepting it for what you believe in. When you do that, you eliminate the possibility that there's other reasonings behind that. So we got to kind of be careful, with that. And then the next one is avoid emotional reasoning. We are emotional creatures. However, we do need to keep that out of the equation when we're in the process of determining what's actually going on. So strive to put that to the side. It's kind of hard to do, but do that. We always talk about, don't focus on your beliefs. Also, do not let your emotions pull yourself to believing something based on the way you feel, especially at the moment. The next one is don't oversimplify. And what that means is just basically don't generalize it. Don't put it as to where if one person hates it, then everybody hates it. That's not true. Some people might like it. For example, some people might like chocolate ice cream. Some people may not. But just because a group of teenagers like chocolate ice cream, you can say that all teenagers like it. That's not true. So we need to kind of be careful and take time out and, do those surveys and stuff like that in regards to that. Consider other interpretations. And what I mean by that, consider other interpretations. Maybe it's another theory out there. Don't just take it for that actual theory that you believe it is. It might be something else out there. So take time out and consider, I didn't look at it like that. So kind of be open-minded. And the last one is tolerate uncertainty. And what that means is that there's always a way of looking at it. Maybe we don't know the answer to it. Maybe we need to take time out to re-examine it, go back over it, go back to different steps. But understand that there isn't always a right or wrong answer. There's always that gray area. So I advise everyone, take time out and utilize the critical thinking steps in psychology. Thank you.